Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix your Outlook is not showing the preview emails, or I would say reading pane is not showing. So whenever we click on any email, it should show us the preview at the bottom or at least at the right hand side. By any chance, if it's missing, then just need to go to the layout section and then go to reading pane and then select show on the right or show on the left. You can try that. You can also try layout, reading pane, and then show on the bottom. And if you want to pop out whenever you just do a double click, you can select pop out only. So whenever I'll just do a double click on that, it will pop out the email for you. So this is how you can fix the reading pane in the layout section. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.